Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduction myself. My name is Mutiara Zahratul Harirah and I come from class HK24I. And here I want to present my scientific paper by the title The Importance of Law in Maintaining Community Security. Okay, in the first slide is about abstract. The role of law in maintaining public security and challenges such as rising crime rates. The research analyzes the function of law as a tool for crime prevention and protection of individual rights, using literature studies and case analysis in Indonesia. The findings indicate that effective law enforcement can reduce crime and enhance the sense of security, while public legal awareness also contributes to safety. In conclusion, law is an essential foundation for social order and security. Is introduction. Here I put introduction because we have to know what is law. Okay, law is a system of rule enforced by authorities, institutions to regulate behavior and ensure public security. It serves to prevent crime and protect individual rights, which is essential for a peaceful society. Each country, including in Indonesia, has its own legal framework. According to Article 1, Paragraph 3 of the Indonesian Constitution, Indonesia is a rule of law state, and all citizens must comply with its law. Okay, next slide is key definition of law in food. Aristotle say law is specific law prohibits rules and universal law is natural law. So that is from Ernest Attrach. Guidelines for societal order requiring compliance. So if from Immanuel Kant, he say an authoritative standard guiding behavior while allowing free will. Okay, and from Muchtar Kusumaja, law is a tool for societal change, protection, and justice. So if Thomas Hobbes say mechanic to unique disorganized society through rules. And the last, Hans Kelsen say, the law is norm dictating action and consequence imposing enforcement. Okay, that includes scholars who have opinions on the definition of law. Okay, and this slide is my research method. This paper use qualitative research method including literature and data analysis to explore the role of law in maintaining public security. My type of research, descriptive qualitative study, aimed at understanding the relationship between law and public security. So, from data source, secondary, data from literature including books, articles, previous studies relate to law and public security. So, data analysis, categorization, grouping data by themes, interpretation, understanding the implication of finding, narrative preparation, compiling a narrative on the relationship between law and community security. Okay, and the next slide is discussion. In Indonesia, legal subject include individuals. The name is naturalistic personen and legal entities, recht personen. Okay, law is essential for achieving justice, security, and order. Constitution of regulation that must be followed with sanction for violation. So, effective enforcement is crucial due to societal change and involving crimes. The validity of law depends on their authority, societal acceptance, and alignment with philosophical values. Different laws apply to various issues: civil law for disputes, constitutional for state matters, and criminal law unlawful acts. Law is vital to prevent chaos and harmful behavior in society. So, the law is very important in the middle of the society. Okay, and enforcing the law that are definitely challenged. And here I will explain and I will tell the challenge and the factor that cause people to act criminal. Okay, for the challenge, law enforcement face various challenges, particularly related to criminal acts, which are behavior that harm others and violate the law. Criminal acts can incur criminal sanction, and according to Muljanto, these actions are prohibited by legal regulation and accompanied by specific penalties. So, the factor that make the people act criminal is the first, that is the economic factor. Economic hardship can drive individuals to commit crimes to meet basic needs. So, awareness factor. A person awareness influence their likelihood of offending law, and awareness does not guarantee not offending. So, there is a coercion factor. Individual may commit crimes under death or prison. So, there is also the next is family factor. Family dynamics affect behavior. A harmonious family promotes positive values, while troubled home may lead to a criminal act. So there is environmental factor. The surrounding environmental impact behavior. A positive environment ensure and behavior, while a negative can lead to crime. And that's the challenge and the factor which make the people to act a criminal. And here the conclusion from the all what I tell and what I discuss. Okay, the law enforcement is crucial in the lives of individual within society and the state. Law are necessary to regulate behavior to prevent disturbance to others. Criminal acts and arise from various factors such as economic condition, awareness, coercion, family dynamic, and environmental influence. The primary purpose of law is to guide behavior and prevent deviation. Additionally, law enforcement is important for organization to maintain order within society. So from now we also know that the law is very important in the middle of society, because that can regulate the behavior of the people. Okay, the last slide. I think enough until here my presentation. I'm sorry if there is mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.